Good afternoon, Corvette world. Steve from CNS Corvettes. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on what is going on with that trip out west we just took. It was really great. Started off here in Florida, headed up kind of to Texas, then up through the Midwest, all the way up to Spearfish, South Dakota, over to Sturgis, back down through Colorado and Wyoming and South Dakota, which was Spearfish, New Mexico, Mississippi. So we've been covering some ground, about 7,000 miles over 5 weeks. Whole purpose was to meet and talk to Corvette people and attend some Corvette events. We did the events at Beaumont, Texas, and Black Hills in Spearfish. Met some really, really fantastic people, and a lot of them. A bunch of great Corvetters. Everybody was out having fun. It was overall a really good trip. It was kind of interesting. On the trip, we drove our Corvette, even though we had the RV. We towed the Corvette, and then when we got to destinations, we took it off and drove around. Well, I got to drive it up Pikes Peak, which for us Flatlanders is quite a trek. And it was really funny because at the top of Pikes Peak, as I'm getting out of the car, a guy walks up and goes, "Excuse me, I watch your channel all the time. This is the top of Pikes Peak." So I thought that was pretty funny. We had a good conversation. He didn't have his car with him, so I can't give you a picture of his car, but it was a lot of fun. Kind of the whole idea is to get your car and drive it. Go have fun with it. They don't need to be a garage queen. As great as they are a production automobile, and they're meant to be driven. And I met so many people, not only at the shows, but at rest stops, gas stations, restaurants, you name it. So many Corvette people that were in their cars. That's what these cars are for. Have fun with it. There's no need to keep it in the garage and just look at it. You can buy a picture and do that. Go drive your car, have fun with it. Go out and see places, go places, do things. That's what will keep this hobby alive. So we're relying on you guys to do that too. Get out and drive. And not only are you going to have fun, you're going to introduce a lot of people who like Corvettes. You're going to get a chance to introduce them to Corvettes. When they start talking to you about your car, show it to them. Don't nod your head and walk away from them. Include them. They may be the next generation. They will be the next generation of Corvette owners. So let's keep it going good for everybody. Back to the initial intent of the trip, besides having fun, what was to meet people. And man, there are some great people everywhere we went, in particular at the two big shows that we did. Attend shows, do fun stuff. And that's really about all I have to say about the trip. You know, we covered a lot of ground. It was to cover that many miles in 4.5 weeks. It was pretty tough. And I was really anxious to get back home. But I wasn't anxious, because I was tired of it. I was just tired. And I would do it again tomorrow if I could, which I can't, but maybe next year we'll pick some new itineraries and do those and do the same thing. And if we can meet you along the way, like you'll see some of the pictures and some of the folks that we did meet, we'll try to post all of our progress up here every time we do something. One of the highlights of the trip was in a town called WaKeeney, Kansas. And you're saying, what? WaKeeney, Kansas. We were there for the 4th of July. What a place. Starts off with, they have an F-14 Tomcat in their front yard. It is an RV park. It is a restaurant, a bar, and like a little inn. They have rooms available. Those people were fantastic. To the point, they cooked a complete pig and fed the whole town, basically. There is a gentleman named Heatley, F-14 pilot. He was the inspiration for Top Gun. And when he was telling his stories, I mean, yeah, this guy's full of it. I looked it up. He is the inspiration for Top Gun, technical support and everything as well. He was there, great guy, showed a lot of stuff in what he calls his ready room, all sorts of memorabilia from not only from being a Tomcat driver, but the filming of the Top Gun movies, in which he participated in both. The fireworks, you were in Kansas, it's flat as a pancake. They put on a great fireworks show. Because it's so flat, no matter what direction you looked, you saw fireworks. And I mean big and lots of, as well as little neighborhoods. It was impressive. It's middle America. And middle America is great. That's all I can say. And that was a show of it. So if you're up that direction, stop in there. It's quite the place, let me tell you. And in the near future, we'll be doing the SEMA show in Las Vegas. If you're not familiar with SEMA, it is Specialty Equipment Market Association. And pretty much it's the who's who in the car stuff business. It's a huge convention in Las Vegas. We'll be there. Any of you folks out there who have items that you manufacture, represent, sell, if you would like us to maybe test them, and if they pass our scrutiny, promote them here on this channel, be happy to do that. Shoot us an email, give us a good heads up. SEMA is the first week in November. So let me know if you're going to be there. We'll make arrangements to meet, and it could possibly be beneficial for both of us. That's it for this time around. Please like, subscribe, give us a good old thumbs up, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.